So the effect of nature of leaving group, what it is happening here in SN1 reaction, the first step is the formation of a carbocation intermediate by the removal of a leaving group. Okay, what is the evidence? The better the leaving group, lesser the activation energy for the transition state. Okay, leading to the formation of carbocation. So, the better the leaving group, lesser the activation energy for the transition state, leading the formation of carbocation. Hence, the more the should be the reactivity of alkyl halide in SN1 reaction. So, since the order of elimination of the different leaving groups, it is that is, you see that iodobromine. Iodine is the first order of elimination. Bromine, chlorine, fluorine. So the next, the reactivity of alkyl halides. Different alkyl halides are the reactivity order of reactivity of alkyl halide. It is alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide. Then first alkyl iodide. Then it is only more alkyl iodide. It is more reactivity. Then alkyl bromide. Then alkyl chloride. Then alkyl bromide. Okay. So students, next the comparison between the SN to SN1 reaction. What we have discussed, finished. So in SN1 reaction, reaction mechanism, it is the first order kinetics. SN2 it is the second order kinetics. So SN1 it is the reaction mechanisms, shows partial racemation and partial inversion. In SN2 stereochemical inversion. Okay. Reactivity sequence of alkyl halide is tertiary. Tertiary it is more than the secondary, more than the primary, than the alkyl halide. Okay. In SN2 reaction, reactive sequence it is alkyl halide, it is the first, more than the primary, than the secondary, than the tertiary. So SN1 reaction, we have the SN1 it is showing the rearrangement. SN2 there is no rearrangement. Okay. It is SN1 reaction, it is the forward by low concentration of nucleophiles, but SN2 it is the high concentration of it forward by the high concentration of nucleophiles. So more polar solvents used favor the more polar solvent in SN1 reaction. SN2 reaction, it is the more polar solvent source, but downs its reaction. More polar solvent slows down the reaction in SN2. So mild nucleophiles, alcohol, water we can use in SN1 reaction, but strong nucleophiles we have to use alkoxide ion in SN2 reaction. Tertiary alkyl halides are common substrates in SN1 reaction, but primary alkyl halides are common substrate in the SN2 reaction. Okay. Elimination is an important side reaction. In SN1 reaction, elimination is an important side reaction, but SN2 reaction, elimination side reaction is not important in SN2. Electronic factors influence reaction rate large in SN1 reaction. Electronic factors influence reaction rate large in SN1 reaction, but in SN2 steric, not electronic factors influence the rate of reaction, that is steric SN2. In SN1, nucleophile can attack the carbon carrying halogen both from backside and backside or front side, but the backside attack predominant. Backside attacks it is more preferred, but in SN2 reaction exclusively backside attacks takes place. Okay, only exclusively backside attacks takes place in SN2. But in SN1, involved carbocation intermediate is an SN2, no intermediate are involved. Okay, it is a SN2, it is a single step process, it is a two-step process SN1. Okay, so this is about SN1 and SN2 reaction. Next, okay students, thank you, see you next class.